And as you can, I mean, you could have just told me you're not interested. I mean, I already applied it. Look at this, it's so beautiful. With no dust, no air bubbles in less than 15 seconds. This is the privacy version. It protects your privacy from both sides, 28 degrees. Hydrophobic, electroplated, oleophobic layering makes the screen silky smooth and fingerprint proof. It is also scratch resistant. And extremely durable. Perfect. So if you like this product, you can click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.